my project, this semester I'm working on some social media marketing strategy with BTR Lawn Care. BTR Lawn Care is a local landscaping company that specializes in lawn care. It is owned by a man called Bridger Radford who lives in Rigby, and his project is based out of Rigby and also Rexburg. His main identified problems was that BTR Lawn Care is lacking in some social media presence, so he does want to grow the audience through his Facebook and on his Instagram. I've included some screenshots of the BTR Lawn Care social media. So this is their Facebook page. They have a established Facebook page. They have around 120 followers, so they have some established audience, but he wants to definitely branch out a little more. He also wanted some branding done. Here's the Instagram. It has kind of similar photos. He doesn't have a lot of photos, which is one thing I definitely am going to suggest that they work on, but these are the two social media platforms. My main goals for helping BTR Lawn Care is first I'm going to audit the brand's social media presence on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm just going to go through and kind of look at what they've done and what's working and what's not working. From there, I'm going to develop BTR Lawn Care's branding. Bridger had told me that he wanted a new logo and maybe some additional branding suggestions. And then I'm going to create some new content for BTR Lawn Care to use in the future. Bridger wanted some social media marketing advice. He wants to be more successful on Facebook and Instagram, and then again to grow specifically on Facebook a little more. So far, I have created the shell of the report that I will be handing back to Bridger. This is a screenshot on the right-hand side. This is some branding and design that I have already done for him. I also audited the brand this week. I was able to look at their Facebook and their Instagram page, and I kind of just had a look at all the posts and what, the audience liked and what wasn't doing super well with engagement. And then again, I did develop their branding on the right, and I have generated some logo ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the report in the next couple of weeks, and then I'm going to hand it back to Bridger and see what he says, and then we'll go from there.